So today I was day trading on Webull, came up about $200. Overall, a really good day. The first trade, it was a pretty quick short scalp for about $20. But then the second trade, which I really want you to watch, is a new thing that I tried out. I've seen some other traders do it. I thought I went in for a short position, but it was not pulling back as I expected it to pull back. So I flipped the position. I was short 200 shares, and then I guess I'll let you watch the rest. But instead of when it started going up, I bought 400 shares. So it switched me from being short 200 to long 200. Geez, Coco, get away from me. Gosh. So yeah, it ended up being a pretty cool little maneuver there. Just kind of flipping from short to long and coming up $200 for the day. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop into the videos. Bye.
All right, first trade of the day here. This is ticker symbol SIX. It's been pretty bullish on to the upside. However, it is overall in bearish context. So what I'm thinking here is it's going to get rejected by this 50-day moving average. So I short sold 100 shares because I think it might have the potential to fade down a little bit. So it's going to be a quick trade here. Let's see if we can make some profits. And I'm out of the trade. It takes a really long time to load on Webull while doing paper trading. But basically what I did was, yeah, I sold 100 shares here, and then I just bought it back 100 shares right here. It could still be potentially falling. It is falling a little bit more, but because it's so been pretty bullish, and then the MACD is still showing pretty bullish, the stochastics is a little oversold or overbought, but I just need to be aggressive with profit taking. So that was a quick $20 of profit right there. Okay, here is my second trade. It is ticker symbol STMP. It's another short sell. It's pretty interesting here. Like, I actually clicked to have the order filled up in this range, but like I said, paper trading is pretty slow to react, which you just kind of gotta account for. It's been having this really bull run up, this ticker symbol STMP, and it had this big wolf candle here, this inverted hammer, and then it did again here. So I'm just thinking that this is potentially a fake breakout, but we'll see. Maybe it still has a lot of momentum to the upside. It looks like the MACD is, it's bullish, but it's also having some volume taper off. This previous candle had a lot of volume, so that could potentially mean that it's going to be breaking out to the upside. It looks like it is breaking out right now, but I don't know. I'm going to just hold it in here and just see if we have that pullback. I just scaled in another 100 shares here. I'm still thinking that there's going to be a breath. It's going to be pulling back, so we'll see. So now my average price is $145.97. Okay, so it does look like it's continuing to have some driving upwards momentum. So I just did something, let's see if it loads. A little bit different of a strategy than I'm used to here, but let's see if this works. Boom, it did work. So what I did was, so it started forming this kind of bull flag and this pattern moving over, and I was shorted 200 shares. So when it broke through this point, what I did was I bought 400 shares to see a more of a potential break to the upside. So it got rid of my 200 shares and then added 200 shares on the long position. So let's see here if we can see it continue to move to the upside. All right, so I got out of that position. I sold my shares. So that was a very trick move. That was a new strategy that I kind of picked up watching some other traders. So really what it was I honestly thought that there was going to be a pullback, but it still showed signs of bullish momentum. You know, sometimes that's just the case, sometimes you're wrong. But then it started forming this pattern here, and I was like, you know what, if it breaks past this green line, I'm going to go ahead and flip my position from being short to being long. And what happened was it broke that position. I got filled for 400 shares, so technically I only had 200 going long, and then it broke this pattern, this flag pattern, and it busted to the upside and put me positive $200 for the day in just 2 trades. And that was about 15 minutes or so of trading tops, so not too shabby. That was trading on the 1 minute chart, so cool.